Hello children and welcome to our English series for class 7th. Today we'll talk about the second chapter of your supplementary reader An Alien Hand. The name of the chapter is Bringing Up Curry, written by Dhan Gopal Mukherjee. It's a story of a 5-month-old baby elephant and the narrator who was at that time only 9 years old. The story shows how the narrator and the elephant grew up together and developed a strong bond between themselves. Apart from that, it also shows how the elephant was taught various things by the narrator and how human beings should treat animals. So now let us understand the story. बच्चों, ये कहानी है करी नाम के 5 महीने के एक छोटे से हाथी के बच्चे और लेखक की, जो उस समय 9 वर्ष के थे. कहानी दिखाती है कि किस तरह लेखक और वो हाथी का बच्चा साथ साथ बड़े हुए और उनके बीच में एक बड़ा मजबूत सा रिश्ता बन गया. किस तरह लेखक उस हाथी के बच्चे को एक छोटे से बच्चे की तरह बहुत सी बातें सिखाते थे और कैसी उन दोनों के बीच में बॉन्डिंग थी और मनुष्य को जानवरों के साथ किस तरीके का व्यवहार करना चाहिए, यह सब हम इस कहानी में जानेंगे. तो आइए इस कहानी को समझते हैं. Summary of the story. The story Bringing Up Curry revolves around Curry, a 5-month-old elephant, and the narrator as a 9-year-old boy. यह कहानी करी नाम के 5 महीने के हाथी और 9 साल के लेखक के चारों ओर घूमती है. The two developed a strong bond after the elephant once saved a boy from drowning. उन दोनों के बीच में बहुत गहरा रिश्ता बन गया जब एक बार उस हाथी ने एक लड़के को डूबने से बचाया. Like a baby, Curry was always loaded with energy and full mischief. एक छोटे बच्चे की तरह करी हमेशा ऊर्जा से भरा रहता और उसके दिमाग में शरारतें भरी रहती. Once he got the chance to taste some bananas. एक दिन उसे केले चखने का एक मौका मिल गया. He loved them so much that he would do just about anything to get them, even if it meant stealing. उसे उनका स्वाद इतना पसंद आया कि अब वह उन्हें खाने के लिए कुछ भी कर सकता था, यहाँ तक कि चोरी भी. As a result, the narrator used to scold him often. और इसी कारण लेखक को उसे कई बार डांटना पड़ता था. The narrator took great effort to teach Curry how to sit down and walk. लेखक ने करी को नीचे बैठना सिखाने और चलना सिखाने में बहुत अधिक मेहनत की. It was a tough task for him to make Curry learn the concept of master call. और master call सिखाने के लिए उसे बहुत अधिक मेहनत करनी पड़ी. This was a strange hissing, howling sound that the master had to make, and the elephant would guide the master reach home if he was lost in the jungle. यह एक प्रकार की बहुत ही विचित्र फुफकारने और जोर से चिल्लाने की आवाज़ थी जो मालिक को हाथी को सुनानी होती थी, जिससे कि जब मालिक कभी जंगल में गुम हो जाए और उसे रास्ता न मिल रहा हो तो हाथी उसके लिए रास्ता बनाकर उसे सुरक्षित घर पहुंचा दे. It took a period of 5 years for Curry to master this skill. इस कौशल को सीखने में करी को 5 वर्ष का समय लगा. Now let us go through some word meanings. It will help us to understand the story better. Lasso, a rope with a noose at one end. Tiptoe, with one's heels raised and one's weight on the balls of the feet, especially in order to move quietly or make oneself taller. Hatchet, a small axe with a short handle for use in one hand. Thatched, covered with straw or a similar material. Luscious, having a pleasingly rich, sweet taste. Pavilion, a temporary building, stand or other structure. Mutilated, damaged. Cathedral, the principal church. Ponderous, slow and clumsy because of great weight. Astonishment, great surprise. Now let us go through some comprehension questions to check our understanding. You can write your own answers or you can take help from the text that is given here. Question 1. The enclosure in which Curry lived had a thatched roof that lay on thick tree stumps. Examine the illustration of Curry's pavilion on page 8 and say why it was built that way. Answer. The pavilion was built on a thick tree stem so that it would not fall on bumping against the poles. Question 2. Did Curry enjoy his morning bath in the river? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. Curry enjoyed his bath as he laid down on the sand bank while the narrator rubbed him with clean sand. When narrator rubbed him with water, he would squeal with pleasure. Question 3. Finding good twigs for Curry took a long time. Why? Answer. It took such a long time to find twigs for Curry because if a twig is broken, Curry would not touch it. Narrator had to climb all kinds of trees to get twigs. Question 4. Why did Curry push his friend into the stream? Answer. Curry pushed his friend into the stream because a boy was lying flat on the bottom of the river. Curry had tried to save the boy, but he had not been successful. Question 5. Curry was like a baby. What are the main points of comparison? Answer. Curry had to be trained to be good. He did a lot of mischief. Like a child, he played pranks and took away all the fruits kept on the plate. Question 6. Curry helped himself to all the bananas in the house without anyone noticing it. How did he do it? Answer. Curry was quite a cunning baby elephant. Once, when he tasted ripe bananas, he developed a taste for it. Now, very clearly, he, by making his trunk appear like a black snake, took away all the fruits. Question 7. Curry learned the commands to sit and to walk. What were the instructions for each command? Curry was taught to sit down, to walk, go slow, etc. For sitting down, instruction given was dhat and then Curry was pulled by the ear. For walking, instruction given was mali and his trunk was pulled forward. Question 8. What is the master call? Why is it the most important signal for an elephant to learn? Answer. Master call is a kind of strange hissing howling sound as if a snake and a tiger are fighting with each other. If you are lost in the jungle, make a master call and the elephant will pull down the trees in front of him with his trunk and take you straight to your house. Question 9. Match the following and check how much you know about Curry. यहाँ sentences के parts दिए हुए हैं और आपको करेक्ट पार्ट्स को कंबाइन करके मीनिंगफुल सेंटेंस बनाना है. फर्स्ट, Curry was a. सेकेंड, his skin used to. थर्ड, he would not eat. फोर्थ, Curry saved. फिफ्थ, he developed a great love. सिक्स्थ, he was no good. सेवेंथ, the most difficult thing to teach the elephant. So hope you must have understood the story well. So please go through the chapter again. Do all the comprehension questions. Write the word meanings in your notebooks in good handwriting. And we'll come back with more valuable videos. Till then, take care of yourself and bye-bye.